Good morning, yogi. Welcome to your 10-minute full body wake up flow. Today we're going to get started in a seated pose, cross-legged. Go ahead and sit up nice and tall. Just taking a few deep breaths here to settle into your practice and to dedicate this next 10 minutes to your health and wellness. Beautiful. From here, let's just go ahead and draw that right ear over your right shoulder. Take a deep breath in. Feel this nice neck stretch in the left side of your neck. Inhale to come all the way through to center. And as you exhale, allow that left ear to drop over your left shoulder. Draw the shoulders away from the ears. Beautiful. Take a deep breath in, coming all the way through to center. And then allow the hands to come on either side of your mat. Plant that left hand down. As you inhale, sweep that right arm up and over. And as you exhale, come all the way through to center. Plant that right hand down. Inhale, sweep that left arm up and over to the right. Inhale for center. Exhale, over to the left. Rotate that heart towards the sky. Inhale for center. And exhale over to the right. Once more to each side. Inhale for center. Exhale over to the left. Inhale for center. Exhale over to the right. Feel this nice stretch in the side body. Inhale for center. And as you exhale, let's come forward into tabletop pose. So coming onto your hands and knees underneath your hips, wrists underneath your shoulders, tops of the feet pressed down into your mat. As you inhale, hug the navel up to the spine, let your knees hover. And as you exhale, drop the knees down to your mat. Inhale to drop the belly, shine your heart forward. Exhale to arch through the back. Inhale to come back to a nice neutral tabletop pose. Let those knees hover, hug the navel up to your spine. And as you exhale, allow the knees to touch down. Inhale to drop the belly, shine your heart forward. And exhale to arch through the back, tuck your chin in. Inhale, coming through to your neutral tabletop pose. Let those knees hover about an inch or two away from your mat. Exhale, allow the knees to fall down. Inhale for your cow pose. And exhale for your cat. Awesome. Come all the way through to a nice neutral tabletop pose. Walk your hands out in front of you. Curl your toes underneath and lift those hips up and back, downward facing dog. You're here for 5 full breaths. So finding any sort of movement, maybe pedaling the feet. Maybe you just choose to stay in downward facing dog, finding stillness. From your downward facing dog, hug that right knee into center. And then go ahead and open it up, taking some knee circles. So really getting into the hip joints. Press evenly through the hands. Make big circles with that knee. And then go ahead and just hug that knee into chest. Come through to your plank pose. And step the foot at the top of your mat. Drop that back knee down. Find a nice low lunge. Untuck those back toes. Take a deep breath in here. And as you exhale, straighten through the leg, find your runner stretch. Inhale to come through to your nice low lunge. Plant that left hand down on your mat. As you inhale, sweep that right arm up, finding a nice twist. And as you exhale, plant the hands down. Curl those back toes underneath. Pick up the back knee. Step back to downward facing dog. Deep breath in. Long exhale out. Hug that left knee into the chest. And then go ahead and open it up, finding a nice big circle. And then go ahead and hug that knee in, coming into your plank pose. As you transition to step that foot to the top of your mat, drop that back knee down, nice low lunge. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, runner stretch. Straighten through the front leg, flex the foot towards the face. Inhale to come through to your low lunge. Plant that right hand on your mat. As you inhale, lift that left arm up towards the sky. And as you exhale, take that left hand down, curl the back toes underneath, pick up the back knee, step back to your downward facing dog. Deep breath in, long exhale out. Gaze forward, bend through those knees, take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, walk or hop your way to the top. Find a nice forward fold, bend through those knees, and inhale, roll up. Exhale at the top. From here, go ahead and take that right leg behind you. Left leg stays forward. Left knee over left ankle. Reach the arms up, high lunge. Find your foundation here. First, take a deep breath in. As you exhale, pivot that back foot down and open up to warrior two. Heel to arch alignment. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, straighten through that front leg. Bump the hips behind you. Reach forward. Dropping that left hand down to the ground. Right arm reaches up towards the ceiling. Triangle pose. You can gaze down at the mat, or you can choose to lift those gaze up to the sky. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, bend through the knee, gaze down towards the mat, coming back to your warrior two. And from here, plant the hands on your hips. Swing the toes to face the long edge of your mat, short edge of your feet matches short edge of your mat. And then draw those heels in, toes splay out. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, sink down, goddess. Bring those arms into your cactus arms. Inhale, straighten through the legs, reach the arms up, starfish pose. Exhale, sink down. Inhale, straighten. And exhale down. Amazing. Bring those hands to your hips. Straighten through the legs. Heel toe yourself in. And come to stand at the top of your mat. Inhale, reach the arms up and overhead. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, slide your hands to your thighs or shin, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Plant the hands down. Slide the right toes back, followed by the left. Take a deep breath in. Exhale to lower all the way to the belly. Untuck those toes. Inhale, lift up, cobra. Little back bend here, and as you exhale, forehead kisses the mat. Curl your toes underneath. Inhale, press up to plank. Exhale, downward facing dog. Gaze forward, bend through the knees. Inhale. Exhale to make your way to the top. Bend through those knees. And inhale, roll up. Exhale at the top. Let's do the other side. Bring that left leg behind you, coming into your high lunge. Find your foundation here first. Even out the breath. Take a deep breath in. And then exhale, open up, warrior two. Inhale, straighten through that front leg. Bump the hips behind you, reach forward. Draw that right arm down to the ground. Lift the left one up to the sky. Find your triangle pose. Really activate the core here. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, gaze down to your mat. Inhale to come all the way into warrior two. Take a deep breath in. Plant the hands on your hips. Swing all 10 toes to face the long edge of your mat. Draw those heels in slightly. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, sink down for your God or Goddess squat. Arms come into cactus arms, bending at the elbows. Inhale, straighten through the arms and leg. Exhale, down. Inhale to straighten through the arms and legs. Exhale, down. Once more, inhale, straighten. Exhale, down. Bring those hands to your hips. Straighten through the legs, heel toe yourself in. And come to stand at the top of your mat. Inhale to sweep the arms up and overhead. Exhale, down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Plant the hands, step the right toes back, followed by the left. You're coming into plank. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, down. Untuck those toes. Inhale, lift up for cobra, little back bend. Press down through that pubic bone. And as you exhale, allow the forehead to come down. Zip the legs up close together and press back into child's pose. We're here for one breath. And then begin to draw the arms in, roll up slowly, coming into a nice kneeling pose, or just finding a cross-legged pose. Take a deep breath in. Long exhale out. Bring those hands together. And I hope you enjoyed this 10-minute full body wake up flow. I hope you're feeling energized and ready to kickstart your day. Bring those thumbs right up to your third eye, the place between our eyebrows. We bow and we say, Namaste. Thank you so much, yogis. See you next time.